What is up, folks? Welcome and welcome back. It's your boy Official Keem Reacts. So I'll be reacting to Gabriel, Henrique, Loving You. This was released 4 hours ago. The time when it's being recorded. It's a cover by Mini, Ripoton, something like that. So without further ado, let's see what mind-blowing experience we'll be having from this wonderful singer. So let's dive right in. Like, there's never an unsatisfied moment while listening this man sings, bro. His voice is quite quenching. Bro, if you're thirsty for music, bro, you can stop by Gabriel, bro. You will be quenched as the moment you started to listening, bro. Bro, he has substance. His music, his voice has substance that can pull you through any given moment that you are feeling down. What gorgeous voice, bro. As a man singing, bro, he sounds as if he's a female singing, bro. I mean, like, not every and anybody can do this, bro. Bro, I've reacted to so much singers across the world. Many more to come. Bro, he's in the top 10 of what I've reacted so far, bro. Like, he's just stupendous with a voice that brings joy, happiness. Best moments, bro. Best moments.
And every day of my life is filled with loving you. Loving you. I sing your song shining through. And every time that we I'm more in love with you. La 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 la. Ju ju. Nowhere else can make me feel the colors that you bring.
Bro, that note, it's me every time, bro. It gets me off the roof. I love when people use that note, bro.
Stay with me when we grow old, and we will live each day's springtime. 'Cause loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful. Every day of my life is filled with loving you. Loving you, I sing.
who's dating this man, bro, remember, miss, he's a keeper. If you're feeling the worst moments possible, just let him sing to you. You will feel so revived. You will feel so connected. You will feel so alive, bro. That's how I'm feeling right now when I heard this man sings. Trust me, miss. You will enjoy it. You will have a moment in your life that you will never ever forget.
La la, doo 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 doo
What the fuck? Bro, that's insane. Bro, that's insane. Damn. Guys, this is why I love Gabriel's performances so much. Bro, this is an experience of my life, bro. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what are your thoughts on this reaction, bro. I wanna hear more. I'll see you next game. Peace out.